Economics of organic versus conventional poultry farming. Number 3. Veterinary expenses. Inorganic. Preventive focus. Emphasis on biosecurity, vaccinations, and natural remedies. Restrictions. Limited access to antibiotics. Withdrawal periods are stricter. Unconventional. Wide access. Free use of antibiotics, coccidiostats, and synthetic dewormers. Cheaper treatments. Bulk availability of medications reduces costs. Note: organic farms must manage health proactively to avoid costly losses. Number 4. Labor requirements. Inorganic. Intensive management. Daily outdoor access checks, pasture rotation, and increased cleaning. Training. Staff must be educated in organic compliance. Unconventional. Streamlined operations. Automation and batch management reduce labor. Less training. Conventional protocols are simpler and more widely understood. Key point: organic systems require 20 to 40% more labor.